On today's episode of WatchJRGo, we are in the new house, the Hugh Hefner mansion, to start on the master bedroom demo. And today, well, we gotta fix a lot of problems. And one of the coolest things is just hitting one button here. I just shut the water off to the house. What is going on, guys? I am WatchJRGo, and like I said, here in the master bedroom in the new house, and we need to make some changes in here. We built a giant closet. We're still finishing that up, but for some reason, this bedroom has two giant closets, and this bedroom here needs to go away. And of course, since the day I bought this house, this tub has been over here leaking. Well, Eric's jumping right in, ripped this valve apart. And while he was doing that, I used Finn, you guys remember when we installed that, to just grab my phone, hit one button, and shut the water off to the house. Find the leak?
I'm sure the seals are just...
This thing's an antique.
There you go. There's the leak.
That is the leak. That seal doesn't exist anymore. Ugh, falling apart in my fingers. So, the game plan today is to demo the whole bathroom out of this place, get all this junk off my fingers, and start building new walls. So we'll see how far we get, but hey, at least now. Wow, they ran CPVC into that?
That's probably
unbelievably tracked. All of the work. Can't wait until that's all PEX, and the PEX will be supported and won't have the same problem.
See you later.
Yeah, for sure. So this is how the bathroom looks right now. I love the window. I kind of want to put it back, but at the same time, our game plan is to bring the shower out to here, about where the white is. Yep, I agree. But now we got a big hole in the little wall, and we're gonna make the shower much bigger, take it all the way in there, measure for a double vanity, move the toilet that's right here. It's got to move over here, and delete this whole shower. And I think, here's my plan. I haven't told you my plan yet. We just build a wall straight across all of this and extend that other bathroom that you can't even get into. Just bring that bathroom this way. Doesn't that sound more reasonable?
I don't think you can say build a wall.
Why can't we? Oh. All I know is this bathroom has to go in a dumpster, or this bathtub, and really all of it. So, time to get to work. Take a look at this, guys. This is absolutely crazy. Eric's about to pull the whole countertop off here, but before we do that, this water line, I vibrated it with the Sawzall because I was gonna cut the PVC, and the water line fell into pieces. That was just, it's copper too. There's nothing left of it. This is why you always choose plastic and never copper. It's been 20-30 minutes here, and we have demoed the majority of the bathroom out of here in just moments.
I'm putting 8 hours on my paycheck.
Yeah, I bet. I mean, it would take most people 8 hours to demo this, but most of the bathroom is gone, and we're starting on the shower now. Oh, that shower head was nice. How did you yeet it out of there?
I took it off. I unscrewed it properly.
Oh, okay. I thought it just ripped out of the threads.
I'm sure it's still fine.
Okay, we're not reusing the shower head, obviously, but now it's time to get the shower out of here, so we got a lot more cutting to do. It's just like a never-ending cutting job over here. The fiberglass tub obviously doesn't want to come out. You can see we took the Sawzall and made a cool tub design all the way around. It's too bad that's not just what was in there. That would look pretty sweet. But we're getting close to getting the tub out. We're gonna finish getting this wall apart. Obviously finish getting all the sheetrock off all of these walls, because they won't exist here shortly. So there's a ton of tack strip to remove. This dryer vent that runs through the closet for some reason, we've talked about that before. That's just pure insanity. That is gonna go away. And I think we're gonna have to go to one of those heat pump dryers, unfortunately, with a washer dryer combo. I think they're really cool, but I've heard that your clothes don't get dry enough. I don't know, but I think it's our only solution just because of how this house is built. Here's the diagram of the shower on the wall right there. We got soaking tub filled from the ceiling, rain head, body jets, and like one normal head as well, and then glass across the front where all the scribbles are. But that is roughly our diagram of the shower, which is just a big box. There's nothing special about it. But that's a ton of progress, and there's only more progress to be made as we open up the other bathroom over here and build new walls, and just a whole lot of stuff has to go on to make all this happen. All right, this looks like a completely different place, that's for sure. But Eric is yanking the shower out of here right now. Think it's gonna fit? It might.
Well, I think cut this because that's not a metal blade.
Nope. Oh, you got it. That is the HGTV demo method right there.
Pan to house almost being done.
I know, we have to cut right to the end of this bathroom being fully completed. Well, there's the shower, guys. The shower has been absolutely decimated. And we are in here getting ready to reframe the toilet room and the shower. So that bathroom is about to move into this area. And this toilet's gonna get a door, and all the rest will be vanity and shower over there. So this will make a lot more sense. Should actually be
12 2x4s.
12 2x4s?
Yeah.
We have 6 on hand.
Yeah.
Do we need 10s?
No. It's all 8s.
Cool. Well, you want to go shopping?
No.
I don't. Are we not putting it back together today?
I don't know. Is that it?
I mean, this was a lot of work for one day. There's no doubt about that. But I have to go buy all these shark bites, so we might as well just go shopping.
We can go shopping. I don't care about that.
Let's go shopping. Because I need all these lines, guys, you won't believe it. This switches between CPVC and unglued drains. Pretty much all the drains weren't glued together, or the glue was just falling apart. It was all done in that old black PVC. Maybe that stuff just falls apart. I don't really know, but we switched between CPVC and copper all over the place, random pieces of CPVC in here. And I also found that this like 1/4 inch copper feeds the outside spigots. I can't wait to get all that replaced. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shark bites just to get everything capped so we can turn the water back on. And it looks like this is 1/2 inch PVC. This is like 1/4 inch CPVC. I mean, this place is a plumbing nightmare. At least the electrical kind of made sense. This faucet was leaking, this valve. You can see that. And we just finished deleting the whole home vac as well. Because for some reason, there's like 4 whole home vac outlets in this house, and there was never a vacuum. They're perfect pieces of pipe, uncut, running from the whole home vacuum outlets to nothing. It's crazy.
Look, man, it's the first one I ever did. Didn't know what I was doing.
on the vacuum? I know it wasn't you.
I used to come over to this house all the time.
Yeah, I used to. I was gonna say, pulling the Casey on me. This is an open floor plan bathroom. All the privacy you want, and none of the privacy you need.
If I was you, back with the water bed like before.
Back with just the water bed.
All shag carpet, just one giant oval tub.
That sounds perfect. Now this is home design for the 2024s.
Everything's made up anyways.
It is all
Make sure
made
you
up.
paint everything in here black,
Yeah.
white, and cedar tones.
Yeah. And also we'll use black lights instead of real lights.
That's actually a pretty good idea.
And
Then you'll know when things are dirty.
then you'll know when things are dirty. And we leave the vent. It's just a design.
I don't mind the job.
Yeah. Just a little design.
There was no reason.
It's, I know, that's what I was just looking at. I was like, wait a minute, why did they put that?
Yeah, somebody cut it out and jogged it, and I don't.
Yep.
Maybe, so we know that it probably had a different tub at one point.
Yeah, we did find a second drain hole for the old tub.
And so that means that they probably changed their vanity, and they probably put that in wall one that we pulled out, they probably put it in here and figured out it hit this and then moved it.
Well, we really need a dumpster. That's a 4.5 foot pile of trash right there. So we just got back from Home Depot where we bought a bunch of shark bite caps. Now that I think of it, I probably should have just bought CPVC caps because they're like, you know, these are almost $10 each and CPVC caps are probably 40 cents each, but I don't even think they sell those there anymore. Where we did have PVC coming through the floor, we were able to use those caps, which are of course dirt cheap, but can you imagine spending $70 something in caps just so you can get this all knocked out for now? But no more leaks. There's all the tub connections. All of the water lines into the bathroom have been capped and the water is back on and there's no more water puddle on the floor there. Do you have a question?
Really that much, Jarnos?
What?
What you just said, it was leaking that much?
I'm not quite sure what you're asking, but you just saw that we leaked. The fin shows we had 7,000 gallons of water leaked this month from the tub.
Yeah. 603.
6,380.
6,390, which is a lot of gallons from just a couple of leaks.
Between the toilet and the tub, that was pretty much our leak, because we probably in reality only used 20 gallons or something like that. A few toilet flushes and washing our hands. So there you go. We knocked one out. Are we really gonna frame this tomorrow? I'm super down to frame it tomorrow.
Tomorrow, Thursday.
Thursday. All right.
What's today?
Today's Tuesday.
I don't pay attention to days in the week.
I don't either, man. I don't either. All I know is we got a bathroom demoed in one day and a tornado's coming. That is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to head on over to shop WatchJRGo.com for cool shirts not like this. And please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. And I will talk to you next time.
Is that vent attached to
The HVAC.
No, that vent.
Oh, this vent is attached to, I would assume, this drain line right here beside us.
Okay, so
And the toilet right there. It's on that run.
is it?
Yeah,
This
it
one's
is.
up?
Yeah, because these two runs come over and connect to this and then come back, so it must vent right off at the top of that.
Okay, I was like, I mean, we got to move it, obviously.
Yeah.
Not the end of the day.
Well, maybe we don't have to move it.
No, for your shower, we absolutely do.
We do have to move it.
I was like, this all has to be open. I mean,
Where are we gonna put that? Oh, we're gonna need to move that vent into that wall, aren't we?
it depends. If we can get it to where just that vent is that shower, then we could probably just put a sure vent in the wall for the shower only, and it'll never hurt anything, and tie the toilet into that toilet.
I mean, I'm sure down to just bring this over into that wall and redo the sheetrock and have a real vent.
I mean, yeah.
Why not? Because then we could just throw a couple elbows up there and come right back out the ceiling where it belongs.
Yeah.
Out the roof.
Yeah, like I said, either way, it shouldn't be that hard.
Yeah.
All the plumbers these days just hide vents behind the wall, and
Put studio vents on the wall?
That's
Because
all-
I think you're only required to have one actual vent now.
yeah. I mean, they work. I
They
have
should.
no complaints about them. They work.
I just don't like it being in an insulated wall.
Yeah, I mean, the last one we did, she had a washer and dryer, and her washer is on its own Studer vent in the wall, and then we sheetrocked right over it. So you just never
Absolutely.
see it. It's just
Yep.
it was about and then sheetrock done.
We've got a lot of cleanup left to do, and we're gonna do that, and then I gotta get a dumpster over here because the trash pile is taller than Scott.
Come on.
Oh, are you really wearing a Jurassic Park shirt and holding the Jurassic Park? he was over there messing with the Jurassic Park VHS.
Yeah.
That's how you know he's a real fan.
They let you wear that to school?